Hi guys, this is Katja with Creative Image Studio. Today I'm sharing 3 cards with you and they are all created with Craft's Curiosity paper pad. It is a lovely floral themed paper pad and also with some fauna, so there are some birds and some butterflies spread throughout this collection, and there are some specialty papers as well. So there you go. So these are 3 birthday cards. I used stamps to make clear that occasion, and well, you can see I used a lot of flowers and here and there some fauna as well to keep up with the paper's theme. And well, it's a lovely paper, like I said. There you go. So that's mostly red and orangey colors. There's a specialty paper. And this is a birthday wish, which says, "A day without a friend is like a pot without a single drop of honey left inside," which is a Winnie the Pooh quote. And then the last one is a larger sized one. Lots of flowers there. It has a birthday stamp here. Start each day like it's your birthday. Some breads here with some birds and a rose there. And then here the inside, and again a printed wish, and this time it's a Bible text. It's Proverbs 9 verse 11, and I will put the English translation below. So I thought a very fitting birthday Bible text, because this is for my mother. And the back. Now the thing with all these 3 cards, apart from being very florally themed, is that they are all easel cards. And you may have heard of this type of card. You just put them straight up like that. So there's always a tiny little thing here to keep it straight up. And the third one here as well. So there you go. So I think this is a very nice effect. It is of course not my invention at all. This has been on the internet like forever, but I hadn't made one of these like ever. So since I did a little research on how to do this, I decided to jot down this research and give you the instructions that I found out. So you can find those on my Snapguide account, which is a site, if you don't know that, if you're not familiar with it, with free tutorials. So it's free picture tutorials with some instructions as well, and I will leave you the link to my blog, because there you will find this YouTube video embedded, and you will also find the Snapguide tutorial embedded there. And Snapguide has its own app, by the way, so you can download that if you are on a mobile device, and then you can simply press the little heart to add this tutorial to your favorites, and you can always find it ready there waiting for you. So I hope you like this idea with all the flowers and the birds and the birthday stamps, and well, hope you love these papers as much as I do. So thank you for watching, and let me know what you think. Bye bye.